Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to recover Roblox password. Now to begin the process, open the Roblox application. You are currently at the home page of Roblox. Now to recover here, you need to tap on login. And there on the login page, you need to tap on forgot password or username. Tap that. In Roblox, you can recover your password and username as well. So here for the recovery process of password, you need to tap on the password option and there you need to type in the phone number to reset your password. For that, first of all, choose your country code by clicking on drop down menu. Then type in the number. Then tap on submit. Go through some verification process over here. Tap on verify. Now a code will be sent to your number and you need to type in that code on this text box. There's the Roblox code. You copy this and paste it over here and then tap on verify. This will verify your account phone number. Right after that, you will be able to provide a new password for your Roblox account. Now type in the new password on the text box. Retype the same password on the below for the password confirmation. Then tap on submit. With that, the password reset process is successful. Now if you tap on OK and try to get logged in with the current password, you will be easily logged in. Tap on login. So this is how you can recover your Roblox password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.